Hi guys, so you made your snowman in Google Slides and you export them out as a PNG image. So next we're going to go to Scratch and we're going to create a new project. And the first thing we need to do is import that snowman. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this sprite. I'm going to hover over the cat and I'm going to upload my first snowman. And this is where we just want to upload that very first file. So I'm going to do my very first one. And after my snowman is in, we want a second costume for him. So I'm still on my snowman, and I know that because there's a little tiny grayed out snowman up here. I'm going to go over here to costumes, and I want to upload my second costume. So I'm going to go here over the cat, and I'm going to upload, and I'm going to upload the second file. So the second file I called snowman 2, so I remembered. So now I have two costumes for my snowman. I have my costume 1 and my costume 2. So in my code, the very first thing we do, we need to kind of set up where we want him to start on the page. So I'm going to take my snowman and he's going to start over here. And we want an event. So the very first event I'm going to use is when the flag is clicked. So when somebody runs the program, I want my snowman to look just like this. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to motion and we need to pick his X and Y coordinates. So you can see here he's at -76 and he's at negative 55 on the Y axis. So the cool thing about that is if I go over here on my motion, I can see go to X -76, -55. So now if I move my snowman somewhere on the screen and I hit the flag, he goes right to that position. That's exactly what I want. The other thing I want him to do is he has two costumes. So I want to make sure he's on this first costume. Okay, so I'm going to go to looks and I'm going to make sure that his costume is on snowman number 1 because that's the first costume I want him to have. Okay, so I picked that Lang Build a Snowman because that's what I called my first costume. Okay, so if I'm all set, go to this spot, make sure you look like this. Next, I want my snowman to say something. So here on the purple, under the looks, he's going to say hello for 2 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and check this out. There it goes. After he says hello, I want his costume to change. So I'm going to switch to costume number 2, and I want him to say something again. And this is where I can say, Happy Holidays. So now if I click, we're going to read through it. He says hello for 2 seconds. He switches his costume and he says Happy Holidays. Pretty fun. So the next thing I want to do is bring in a backdrop. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a backdrop. I'm going to click on that choose backdrop. And you can choose, there's a nice little Arctic scene, but you can choose whatever backdrop you'd like. Remember, you can also import your own backdrop if you'd like. That's it for this week. Make sure that you go up to the very top of the page. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and let's give this a good title so I can remember it's my holiday card. And then we want to hit the word share, and that's going to bring you to the page with the link that you can turn in for me. So you can give me the link this way, copy the link, and you can also just give me a screenshot. So if we go to see inside here, you can give me a screenshot of your code in your snowman too. That actually helps me a lot. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.